And I am in the kitchen. I am doing an omelet this morning with a pancake. Western omelet. Western omelet with a pancake this morning, okay? That's what I am doing. I'm using 2 phones. Okay, I'm going to let you see it for right now. My condiments. Sweet peppers, onions, and the ham over here. Okay. Back on me. Here I go, y'all. Hey. So that's what I'm doing. I can't show you. So you just have to hold on. So I can't really show you. I don't know if I turn the phone around, you can see. Okay, you see the condiments? Sweet peppers, onions, ham. Back on me. I'm going to pause this for a second. Hey, y'all, I'm back to show you the breakfast. This phone I can't go back and forth with, but hope y'all can see the omelet and the pancakes and me. Here it go, y'all. Let me move back some. Okay, so breakfast is done and ready. Gotta go. See y'all later. Y'all have a blessed Friday. Happy blessed Friday, everyone. I'm off here later, y'all.